Now let's go ahead and try to exploit port 445. This is going to be the Samba running on the Metasploitable 2 machine. Now we see that we have an exploit, or not an exploit. Now we see that we have a version of 3020 Debian. We can take this version and then let's see if we can use search exploit. See if it finds anything. Let's try to make this a little bit more vague. Let's remove Debian. Okay, let's try removing SMBD. So we see format string security bypass. We see username map script command execution Metasploit. So it looks like we can potentially exploit this via Metasploit. It is the correct version, so anything under 3020. So Samba, remote heap overflow, text file, denial service, we're not interested in that. So let's go ahead and try to take a look at this in Metasploit. So let's go ahead and run Metasploit. Cool, now let's go ahead and search for the Samba version. It's a little slow on my end for some reason. Cool, looks like this is going to be our only option, so just use 0, show options. So let's go ahead and set the rhost, to our target, Metasploitable 2, which is 2.18, set our port to 445. Payload options, so it defaulted to CMD Unix reverse netcat. That's fine, shouldn't be an issue. If it throws up an issue or any kind of error, then we can use a different payload option, but this is fine. lhost 2.15, that's our cat Linux host. lport, that's all fine. We can check if config to double check that our Kali IP is the same, so it looks good. Now we can do run or exploit, either or works. Go ahead and run it. Started reverse TCP handler. Command shell 1 open, so shell session 1 opened. ls, who am I? Looks like we are root. Now let's see if we can get a more stable shell. Just need to use hack tools real quick. Cool, so let's see if we can find a more stable shell. Let's try this first option. See if this will work for us. Yep, and there we go. Now we see we're root at Metasploitable. Do ls, who am I again, cat etsy shadow, and boom, we have full access to this machine via the Samba exploit. So pretty awesome.